Hello, you're welcome to Deglon Tech. Here on this channel, all we do is to give you a lot of tutorials about businesses, about tech, and what have you. So if you are new to this channel, we want you to do us a favor by subscribing to this channel and click the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified, so you can follow us in our tutorial video step by step so that we can all grow together. Today we want to learn how to get sales, how to increase sales on our products that we are selling on Jiji. So many people in the West Africa, when we talk about the Jiji app, I believe you know it's an online platform, an online marketplace where you get to post your ad and then sell whatever you have, been into service or a physical good or a digital product. So today we want to teach you how you can increase your sale organically without paying any money to Jiji for promotion. So if that is what you are looking for, then you are the right place. Deglon Tech got you covered. I just want you to follow us step by step until we finish this tutorial, and I believe it will go a long way to help you. So without wasting much time, I'll quickly take my phone and then we will proceed from there. So here is my phone. I'll quickly go to the Jiji app. Here is the Jiji app. Here are my ad. I have 11 active ad on Jiji. I have 11 active ad on Jiji. So we are here today. One thing I want you to know is that the secret to this thing is something we call impression. As people show impression, or as the impression of your ad is high, it tends to be visible anytime people search for the for your product or for the name of your product online. So the first thing I want us to try is that you look at it. All my ad, I've not promoted any of my ad. None of my ad has been promoted. I've never promoted any of my ad, but I'm telling you that I make a lot of sales. I make a lot of sales on my ads that I post on Jiji. So let us give it a try here. Here we are. We want to search. I am searching for biogas. Here my ad is the first one. My ad is the first one here at the top. I've not promoted it, but biogas. There are a lot of people that post biogas on Jiji. Biogas, my ad is again here, and my ad, it will go on and on and on. There are people that promoted their ad, but theirs is not at the top. Again, let's change it. Let's change the spelling. Let's do it this way. Bio, then we have the hyphen, we have gas, because some people may type it this way. We search it this way. Let's see how it will turn. Now again, my ad is at the top. Now let us scroll down and see these people down here have promoted. Some of them have promoted their ad, but my ad is still at the top. Now let us go and check biofuel, because I'm doing the biofuel also. Biofuel, I'm at the second position. With biofuel. Second position here, biofuel. I've not promoted. There's someone at the, that is first, second, third, fourth. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth position. He has promoted the ad, but it's at the fourth position. And then you can go on and on. There are others that have promoted their ad, but their ad is far under the search result. Look at this person here. The ad is far below, but he has promoted the ad. Another person promoted. These people have promoted, but I have not promoted, but I'm at the second. This tells you that what I'm about to teach you, it is working. So what happened? I talk about impression. When you come here and then you go to performance, you will see the black button at the top left. We have impression, we have the green one to be visitors, we have phone view, we have chat request. So it's on daily. Here when you check here, it's on daily. So we come here. When you look at when the impression was down here, the impression is at 89. I have 5 visitors and then 1 phone view. Now that the impression is higher at 283, I have 12 visitors, 1 chat view. So the higher the impression, The higher the impression, the higher the view. The impression is high here. I have 28 and a view and a 4 phone view. The impression is low here. I have one visitor and no phone view. So how do you do this? How do you do this? How do you get this done? That is what I am exactly going to teach you. So once again, we go back now to all the active ad. Assuming I want to do it for this biodigester toilet. I come here, and when you look at the top right corner, we have share button. You click on your share button. Because you need to get people to click on your ad link. As more people are clicking on your ad link, Jiji see it to be that people are more interested on that ad. People are really buying that product. So anytime someone search in your category, they tend to push your ad to the top, so that because they also want people to buy, they want more people to buy from you, so that the marketplace will increase, so that the marketplace when people, so that people will see how good Jiji is. That is how simple I can put it. So they want you to do more sales. So now when you press on the share button, we have the new Facebook news feed, we have your group page, your groups, we have the WhatsApp. So today with this, I'm just going to do WhatsApp. I can choose normal WhatsApp or WhatsApp business because I'm having the 2 app on my WhatsApp, my phone. So you can decide to choose your status. You can decide to promote to anybody on your contact list. So I can choose to promote to anybody on my contact list. I can choose to put it, now I put it on status. So I just go and search and send it. So quickly and send it on my status. So now when I should come to my status, here we have the link. So what happened is that when someone come and click on this link, it can take the person directly to my ad. So the more people click on it, the higher the impression, which means people are creating impression, people are loving that ad, people are searching for that ad, people are watching that ad. So Jiji will begin to push your ad to the top. Then anytime people come and search, your ad will be at the top. And you know what your ad being at the top means? It means more visitors, more buyers, more sales. So here we are. I've clicked here, I've seen the ad. So I want us to go quickly back to Jiji, and then let's see what happens there. So this is the ad. So I want to refresh the page, I want to refresh the page. Then we go back to that ad. What do we see? I see we have visitors +1 today. It means the more people will be clicking the link, not necessarily they buying from you, but what happened is that your visitors are increasing, your impression is increasing. So Jiji will tend to put your ad at the top. So when you look at my first ad, I have 6 visitors today. My second ad, 2 visitors today. Third ad, 2 visitors today. This we have the one we just did now. We have 1 visitor. This place too, we have 1 visitor. So the ads, the more visitors are visiting my ad, the higher the impression, and the higher the chance of being at the top anytime people search in my category. This is the simple trick. You don't need to pay for promotion. You can do this and still make sale. If you love this content, then I want you to do something very simple for me. That is subscribe to our channel. Deglon Tech is here to serve you. Let us all grow together. And if there is anything you want to know, just put it in the comments below, and I will be there to assist you. Till we meet again, stay blessed. Bye-bye.